Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from quadrilaterals of 9th class. The question is, in a parallelogram ABCD in which angle A equal to 60, if the bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at P. Let us draw the figure first. This is a parallelogram. Take it as A, B, C, D. Okay. Angle A from angle B meet at a point P. Prove that AD equal to DP. In the same way, PC equals to BC and DC equal to 2AD. Okay, these three we have to prove. So, one angle is given. This full total angle is given 60 degrees. Right? Given what? Bisectors of A and B means it divides this angle into two parts equally. Okay, so angle A we can divide into two parts. However, we can denote the two parts PAD plus PAB. Angle PAB. Okay, this is one angle, this is one angle equals to 60 degrees. So what will be the value for this and this? 30 plus 30, because they are bisectors, means divide that particular angle into two equal parts. So we'll get both 30 degrees, 30 degrees, right? So next what we can say to prove first AD equal to DP. This let us prove it first. First one, proving AD equals to DP. Okay. So we got one angle in triangle ADP. So consider triangle ADP, angle PAD equals to 30 degrees we got here, right? So this we know, and this we can find. How we can find? Adjacent angles in a quadrilateral. From that we can find angle D. From parallelogram ABCD, angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Since adjacent angles in a quadrilateral, okay. So we know total angle of A, that is angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 60 degree. Total angle we are taking because we are observing the parallelogram, so that we have to take the full angle. Okay, to find angle D, I am taking here full angle of A. So 60 degree plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Angle D equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equals to 120 degree. So this is 120 degree we got, right? Now consider triangle ADP. Angle PAD is 30 degrees. Angle PDA equals to 120 degree. Therefore, angle DPA plus angle PAD plus angle PDA must be equals to 180 degrees. Since angles of a triangle sum is always 180 degree. Therefore, DPA we don't know. Angle DPA we don't know. That means DPA. Here Once what you have to understand is while writing the three letter identification of an angle, the middle one will be the actual angle point. Okay, so angle DPA plus PAD is 30, PDA is 120 equals to 180 degree. So angle DPA plus this becomes 150 degree equals to 180 degree. Angle DPA equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree, which is equals to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Therefore, what we can say? Angle PAD is equal to angle DPA is equals to 30 degrees. So therefore, if two angles are equal, we can say that sides which are opposite to them correspondingly or respectively are also equal. Therefore, angle PAD, opposite side what ma? Opposite side what? Angle PAD. Opposite, for this opposite side is DP. Is DP, which is equals to angle DPA, which is opposite side is DPA. Opposite side what ma? For this opposite side is AD. Okay, therefore DP equals to AD. Now let us prove the remaining. Again let us draw the figure here also, so that we can do the problem without errors. A, B, C, D and this is P. Already we proved AD equal to DP. Now we have to prove this is 30, 30, 120, this is 30. Okay, till here we completed. Now we have to prove second one, proving BC equals to CP. BC equals to PC. Proving PC equals to BC. So again for this also what we can take? Consider adjacent angles of a quadrilateral, that is angle D plus angle C equals to 180 degrees, right? But we know what is D. Angle D plus angle C equals to 180 degree, and this is 120 degree plus angle C equals to 180 degree, which implies angle C equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equals to 60 degrees. So this we got 60 degrees, right? And if you take angle A and B also adjacent, right? Angle A plus angle B is also equals to 180 degree, because they are say in the same side of the line and they are adjacent angles in a quadrilateral. So angle A we have 60 again, angle B we don't know, 180 degree, angle B equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equals to 120 degree. Otherwise you can take D equals to B. Opposite angles in a parallelogram are also equal. Okay. Therefore angle B equals to 120 degree, which is equals to angle D, since opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. And so even A equals to C also we can do in that way. Okay. So now we have to find BPC angle. So consider triangle BPC, angle CBP is equals to, as this is bisected, right? Angle B we got 120, so it is bisected, means divided into two equal parts, it becomes 60-60. So CBP is equals to 60 degree, angle PCB equals to 60 degrees. We don't know angle BPC, right? So from triangle BPC, CBP plus PCB plus angle BPC equals to 180 degrees, since angles in a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So angle CBP, how much we got? CBP is 60, PCB is 60, plus angle BPC equals to 180 degree. Otherwise, by seeing the two angles in a triangle, what will be the third angle? The sum must be equals to 180. So two 60s we got. The third angle obviously it will be 60, right? So BPC equals to 180 degree minus 60 plus 60 is 120. So 180 minus 120, which is equals to 60 degrees. Got it? Now, therefore, angle BPC equals to angle PCB, which is equals to 60 degrees. Right? Therefore, opposite sides are equal. Are also equal. Therefore, BC equals to PC. So one more we have to prove. What is that? One more we have to prove. A, B, C, D, this is P. One thing you understand, I am not elaborating each step. If you understand once this step, you can skip some of the steps from these problems. Right? Now, third bit we have to prove is D. 1 minute, let us see me in the question. DC equals to 2AD. DC equals to 2AD. We have to prove this now. Okay. So from parallelogram ABCD, what we can say? DC equals to DP plus PC. But from previous proofs, we can say that DP equals to AD, right? And here one more is there, PC is there. PC equals to BC. But here what we want? 2 AD we want. Only 1 AD we got here. So DC equals to AD plus BC. From this what we can say again? Again consider a parallelogram. Consider ABCD parallelogram. Consider ABCD parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. So parallel, sides are parallel, parallel and equal. Therefore, AD is equals to BC. From this, we can say that DC equals to AD plus AD. Therefore, DC equals to 2AD. Okay, hence proved. Understood? Each one I separately elaborated and explained so that you can understand very easily. And if you understand, you can do this problem without seeing and very easily. Okay? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.